Today I am going to teach about property loans. We do property loans. As I told, we do property loans. No? In property loans, there are two types of property loans. One is housing loans and one is mortgage loans. Housing loan means actually, end of the day, customer will buy a house. Mortgage means already the property is there. Against the property, he take the loan. That means property is already having. Against the property, he take the loan. That is called as mortgage loans. Got the point? Housing loan means sometimes customer is going to buy a site and he will construct the house. End of the day, what will happen? End of the day, house will be ready. Customer buy a site and he will construct the house. For that also we give the loan. He buy a site and he construct the house also. End of the day, what will be there in his hand? House. Correct, no? That is called housing loan. And customer is going to buy a house, ready built house. That is also called as housing loan. And customer is already having the site. Already having the site. He want to construct the house. That is also called as housing loan. For housing loan, it will be always the interest rate will be less. That means interest rate will be start from 6.9%. It start from 6.9, 6.5 also it starts actually. Depends on the bank actually. Presently we do PNB Housing Finance. Case to case also we do some other banks also. I will tell you. That will be discussed on case to case basis. Presently we do PNB Housing Finance. Got it? PNB Housing Finance. Punjab National Bank Housing Finance. PNB Housing Finance. Got it? First one is, as I told, housing loan. I told you. Site purchase and construction. Site purchase and construction is coming under housing loan. Composite loan. We call it as composite loan. And house purchase loan. For that also we give the loan. Already the house is there. Now, for example, you have a house. You are planning to sell the house. I am the buyer. I will come and discuss with you. I will take your house of 50 lakhs. I rate it for 50 lakhs. I purchase your house for 50 lakhs. That is called as housing loan. Got it? I am already having the site. I wanted to buy a house. I wanted to construct the house. That is also called as housing loan. End of the day, house will be ready. Got it now? Mortgage loan means I am already having the property. Against the property, I take a loan. By pledging the property, I take a loan. That is called as mortgage loan. Get it now? For housing loan, what is the rate of interest? It starts from 6.5%. It goes up to 7.5 or 8 also. No, that depends on. For good properties and good profiles, this will be the rate. It goes up to 11% also. That depends on the profile of the customers. Got it? Housing loan start from what rate? 6.5%. You have to tell that. Tell to the customer for 6.5. It starts from. It goes up to more actually. Like that. Got the point, sir? This one. What is housing loan? There are three. Housing loan means for site purchase of construction, purchase of house, construction. Purchase of construction, that is called composite loan. Purchase of house and construction loan. Got it? Mortgage loan, already having the property, by pledging the property, planning to take a loan, that is called as mortgage loans. Got it? No? Right. Now, for mortgage loan, what is the rate of interest? Starts from 9%. Starts from 9%. It goes up to, depends on the customer profile, it goes up to 11 also, even 12 also. Depends on the customer profile, it will be fluctuating. If the profile is good, you will get that for that rate. That means 9%. If the profile is not good, it will be 9.5, either 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5. Depends on the situation of the
Maximum 12.
yeah, that is bank call. They will take it. Now, what is the documents are required by doing the loan? Documents for salaried people: 3 month pay slips, 6 months bank statement, 2 years form 16. Write it. Write down. Better you also write it. No problem. Ready? Yeah. Okay. 3 month pay slips, 6 months bank statement, 2 years form 16, company identity card, company appointment letter, ID proof, address proof, signature proof, and age proof, photograph. Got it, no? Age proof. And property documents. In property documents, what are the documents will come? First one is sale deed, mother deed, EC, taxpayer receipt, khata extract, building plan, and license.
Estimation.
That is for construction cases. Normal documents are this. Plus 1 or 2 cases will take care. Got it now? What are the documents are required? Got it? Huh? Right. Now, you understood now? Now, if you call to the customer, what are the information should be collected from you? That is important. What are the information should collected from the customer? First one is, sir, where is the property, sir? If he is planning to purchase the property, where is the property, sir? When you call to the customer, you have to ask them, what are the questions and what are the information we need from the customer? What are the information? Sir, where is the customer? You should understand now. This is helpful to you. Sir, where is the property, sir? Is it A khata or B khata? A khata or B khata? Where is the property? What is the value of the property, sir? What is the dimension of the property, sir? What is the dimension means? 30-40, 20-30, 60-40. What is the value of the property, sir? What is the building value of the property, sir? These information is very important. What is the building value of the property, sir? Okay? And what are you doing, sir? Are you salaried or self-employed? Is he a salaried or self-employed? If he is salaried, what is the no problem. What is the if he is a salary, collect the salary information. What is the salary? What is the salary you are getting, sir? Sometimes what happens actually from his family, wife is also working, mother will be working, and father is also working. We have to collect all the family members' income except brothers. If the brother is married, that time don't collect the brother's income. If the brother is not married, collect his income also. Total, whatever the family income, you have to correct it. Got it now? What are the information? He is salaried. So what is the salary we are getting? From your family, anybody are working? Father, mother, brother? Can we consider? Club all the family members' income collected.
Bari sisters.
Sisters, no.
Sister to only.
Okay. If he is a self-employed, what business you are doing, sir? Are you filing the IT returns regularly?
Like how many
Ah.
years?
Banking is good, sir. Banking is good, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Banking is good, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? Bank balance ಹೇಗೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? Is there any EMI bounces? ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೌನ್ಸಸ್ ಗಳಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many loans are running? Please correct how many loans are running. All the loans are regular ಆಗಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Collect that information is also important. All the loans are regularly paying. Then these are the very important information needs to be corrected. Where is the property? What is the property value of the property?
Civil score also.
Civil score later.
Khata. Which khata broker?
If he is a purchasing of the property, where is purchasing the property? Agreement is already done or not? How many lakhs you have paid? Already paid. How many lakhs? How much you have paid already? This information should be collected. Civil clearance ಇದೆಯಾ? How is the civil sir, good or not? Whatever previous ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾದರೂ EMI ಗಳು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Before. Huh?
Including in civil.
Ha. We have to collect all the information. Got it now? What are the information? Where is he working? What is his salary? Wife is working or not? What's her salary? Father is working or not? What is his income? What is the rental income he is getting?
If it is home.
Yeah, own house. It should be own house, no? Property loan means it should be own house only. He is getting. What is the rental income you are getting? How many loans you are paying? How many loans you are paying? Where is the property? What is the value of the property? Civil is good or not? How is the banking? IT returns you are paying regularly. Any gaps are there? These are the information has to be collected from the customer. Right now, this is very important. When called to the customer, these are the information needs to collect. For self-employed, what are the documents should be collected? For self-employed, we need his 3 years of IT returns, 1 year bank statement, company registration copy, shop rental agreement, GST certificate, GST returns 1 year, and property documents. What are the property documents, sir? Sale deed, mother deed, EC, taxpayer receipt, khata extract, building license and building plan. These are the major documents. Some of the additional documents will come, depends on the property. I will tell you that. Case to case will be there. These are the minimum documents needs to collect. Got it now? Right. Now, what are the properties, sir? Property types are there in the Bangalore. That is very important. When you are doing a housing loan, you should be knowing all the information about the property. What are the types of properties are there actually? That one you should be knowing actually. Types of properties. One is BDA property. BDA properties means actually BDA is directly allotted to the BDA. BDA means the Bangalore Development Authority. That is an authority. BDA acquire the land of 5,000 acres, 10,000 acres, 15,000 acres, 1,000 acres, depends on the area. They acquire the land and they allot to the people. Correct? No? That is called BDA. BDA property. They acquired some of the land. For example, JP Nagar, Jayanagar is BDA layout. JP Nagar, Jayanagar, Anjanapura BDA layout. Panashankari 6 days is the BDA layout. Rajaji Nagar is the BDA layout. Basavangudi is the BDA layout. Marathalli there is no BDA. Some of the land. Marathalli HRBR layout. Yeah, those are all BDA layout. Some of the lands. Like that they acquire the land and they shoot the people. That is called BDA. That property is very clear. No need to worry about that. Everything will be on neat. No confusion on the BDA property. It won't be there. Maximum will not be there actually. Clear documents. That is everything they maintain by the government. Correct? No? Okay. And housing board property. Housing board is also an authority. Housing board is also an authority. Housing board also acquires some land from the landowners and they issue the site and they build a house and hand over the people. That is also same. That is also like BDA only. Housing board is also like BDA only. Got it? Housing board and BDA. Got it? No? Now, BBMP A Khata property. You know about BBMP A Khata property? You don't know. Actually, all the layouts cannot be done from the BDA. All the area is not coming under BDA. There are few lands are left out from the BDA. The area already before BDA comes now, before only they develop. They paid, the people already constructed the house and they paid the development charges to the BBMP and they get the A Khata. Got it now? BDA, all the properties not from BDA only. There are few layouts are from BDA. There are few layouts are from normally when it was when the city is not developed. At that time, people already constructed the house. Now, after that, the city limit will be increased. After that city limit is increased, that is coming under there. That area belongs to that area. That time, the development has to be done, no? Development has to be done, no? That means sanitary, water facility, everything has to be come, no? Yeah, bus facility, everything has to come, no? Because of that, they collect some betterment charges to from the people. Per square feet they fixed for per square feet around 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 120 rupees, like that they fix and they collect from betterment charges, then they develop, then they give the basic amenities. Correct, no? That time they collect the betterment charges, then they issue the A Khata. Till that time it was not an A Khata, it was not got the A Khata. After collecting the betterment charges, BBMP will give the A Khata. That time that will be regularized. Otherwise that will be not regularized property. When we call as a regularized property, those people should be having the A Khata, either BDA, either housing board, either BMRDA should be approved. Apart from this approval, it won't called as a Khata property. That is unauthorized property only we should call. The agriculture land, they constructed the house, still the land will be an agriculture land only. That is not an authorized property. Got it? A Khata. From the past, I think from 2004 to till date, government is not taken any betterment charges. They have not collected any betterment charges from 2004 to till date. There are so many properties are coming under B Khata only. Now, city limit is increased. But the property is coming under BBMP limit only. But government is not issued the A khata. Instead of government has not issued the A khata. Now they have issued the B khata for the sum of the properties. The people who have not paid the betterment charges, those people have got the B khata. Got it? Now you understood the A khata and B khata? Differences of the A khata and B khata? You understood, no? Okay. B khata means the people who have not paid the betterment charges. Those people have got the B, will get the B khata. The people who have already paid the betterment charges, those people will get the A khata. Yeah. The people who pay the betterment charges, those people will get the A khata. The people who don't pay the betterment charges, those people will get the B khata. You got to know, no? Differences of the property. Now another one is BMRDA property. Another one is BMRDA property. Bangalore Metro Regional Development Authority. Now Bangalore is a metro city. Correct? They have fixed the limit of till I think Kanakpura. Up to Kanakpura. This side is Ramnagar, almost. Yeah. Yeah. In future, whatever the development comes, so that will be a metro region only. It will get from BMRDA. We have to collect all the approval from the BMRDA only. In future, whatever the development comes, we have to collect the all the approvals from the BMRDA. If the customer, if the land is taken approval from the BMRDA, then that is called BMRDA approved property. BMRDA approved property means that is also regularized. In that area itself, if somebody will be, revenue property will also come. That we cannot call as a BMRDA approved property. If the property is approved from BMRDA, that is also regularized. That is also clear documents. Yeah, like BDA. Got it now? Huh? This is how. Types of properties are like this. Got it now? Correct. Now, documents, what are the documents to be collected? You got it? And how to approach the people? That is very important, no? Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, sir. This is calling from behalf of PNB Housing Finance Limited, sir. Okay? PNB Housing Finance Limited, sir. Sir, actually based on the IT returns and the property value, we can give up to 5 crores of loan, sir. 5 crores of loan, sir. Good morning, sir. This is Nagaraj calling from behalf of PNB Housing Finance Limited, sir. Based on the IT returns and the property value, we can give up to 5 crores of loan, sir. And also, if you are having any other loan, we can transfer it for lesser rate of interest, sir. Approach like this, then customer ask some questions. Okay, I need loan. Just collect all the information. What are the information we need? Sir, where is the property, sir? Is it A khata or B khata? Where it belongs to? What is the dimension of the property? What is the value of the property? What are you doing, sir? Salaried or self-employed? If he is a salaried, what is the salary you are getting? Wife is working or not? What is her salary? What is her salary? And father is working or not? What is his income? Brother is there. What is his income? How many loans is paying? How is banking? How is your banking? Good. How many loans is paying? How is the civil? The EMI you are paying regularly. These are the questions you should ask. If he is collect all the information and how many loans he is paying, collect all the information, write it and give it. Correct? That's it. Your job is over. That time, after that we will see the file. What are the documents are required? As I told, I written actually. It is there in that list. You check. That's all. Your work. Any confusion in this? No problem. You can do it. Huh?